If Trello is not responding, freezing, or refusing to load, don't worry. In most cases, it's a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to diagnose and fix Trello when it stops working. We'll start with the most common causes and move toward the most effective solutions so you can get back to managing your boards without frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. The very first thing you should always check is whether Trello is actually down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Trello is owned by Atlassian, and any outages are reported on their official status page. Open your browser and go to status.atlassian.com. Once you're there, look for Trello in the list of services. If you see a live incident or degraded performance notice, that means the issue is server-side. In that case, there's nothing wrong with your device. You'll just need to wait until Atlassian resolves the problem. However, if everything shows as operational, then the issue is likely on your computer or browser, so let's move on to the next fix. The second step is to perform a hard refresh of the Trello page. Sometimes your browser loads outdated or corrupted cached files, which can cause Trello to freeze or fail to respond. A hard refresh forces the browser to reload everything from scratch. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift R. This reloads the page without using cached data. After doing this, check if Trello starts responding normally again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If Trello is still not responding, the most common fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached images and files can build up and interfere with web apps like Trello. I'll walk you through the steps for Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, since those are the most commonly used browsers. First, open your browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then navigate to Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. A window will pop up with several options. Make sure you select cached images and files. You don't necessarily need to clear passwords or autofill unless you want to. Set the time range to all time for the most thorough cleanup. Then click Clear Data. Once that's done, completely close your browser. Don't just close the tab, close the entire application, and then reopen it. Now go back to Trello and try loading your board again. If it's working now, great. If not, there may be a browser extension interfering with Trello. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers can sometimes prevent Trello from loading properly. To test this quickly, open Trello in an Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Edge. These modes disable most extensions by default. If Trello works there, you've identified the issue as an extension conflict. You can then disable extensions one by one in your main browser to find the one causing the problem. And that's it. Start by checking Atlassian server status, then do a hard refresh, clear your cache, and test for extension conflicts. One of these steps almost always resolves Trello not responding issues. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.